2024 is going to be a year of reacceleration. We're moving from one regime to another. We had been in an environment where the central bank, the Fed in the US, had been raising rates, but now with inflation really coming down, the Fed has air cover to lower rates. My gut is they will not cut rates as quickly and as deeply in 2024 as the market hopes. The other thing we're seeing is resilient growth in our companies. The economy has hung in there. If the Fed leaves rates at an elevated level for an extended period of time, it will put more pressure, and we do expect some incremental slowdown. But I'd say overall, it feels pretty good. We think this moment in time is when you want to lean in and deploy capital after a downturn, before that proverbial all clear sign. All the signs are pointing to 2024 being a more active year. At Blackstone, we announced 6 private equity deals just in the last 6 weeks of 2023. In real estate, 3 large multi-billion-dollar transactions. In our credit business, we've seen a 2.5 times increase in terms of deal volumes, originations to borrowers. We think real estate values are bottoming. Doesn't mean it's going to happen overnight, some sort of V-shaped recovery. There are still plenty of assets in the market that may run into trouble because they were financed at a time when rates were much lower. And so as we think about what do we do in this environment in real estate, while you're in this period bouncing along the bottom, this is when we want to deploy capital, where you can see that light at the end of the tunnel, but it's not yet priced into the market. I'd highlight 3 areas. First, being a lender, private credit. Today, because base rates are still elevated, spreads are wide by historic standards, you can earn equity-like returns taking debt-like risks. Second area I would highlight is being a capital solutions provider. A lot of folks need liquidity or need to deleverage. The third area I'd say is in our equity investing, focusing in on sectors where there are real tailwinds, like energy transition, migration of our lives online, life sciences, travel and leisure. We expect this will be a much busier year for our investors at Blackstone.